I can be taking a look at stock ticker symbol ONCI, currently traded at 0016. This one was, Joe, what was this one ranked at in the contest? 70%?
75.
All right, so that would have been picked on the 24th at 0008. Yeah, made your way up to 0016, 100% from that contest pick over here on Investors Hangout. Look at that. All right, so right there, ONCI, first place. Picked at 0008, now at 0014, 75% right now would have put you at 100% gain. Congratulations to Kitty88 for winning. I've seen you up here in the top 10 quite a few times doing this contest. So congratulations, you finally made that first place spot. So hats off to you. And let's jump into the chart here. What we're going to be looking at, again, beautiful move coming off of here. You guys are above now all the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average, pretty comfortable at the 001 area. Nice move off of there. There is a gap now that I am going to be personally watching. You can see that it was a wick fill. You got an up wick on the Friday, and then a lower wick to come back down to fill. You see that right here. I personally like full body closes on the gaps. Okay, that's where it would today. I would like to see this open at 0014. Could mean that it could close tomorrow at 0014. Whatever the case might be, the volume has dropped off a little bit, not significant, but it has. By the time it catches up, in my opinion, it'd probably be roughly right there if everything stays on path of where it's been. But right now, you guys have that spinning top. Not too sure which way you want to go. You guys see that right now. It might pull back a little bit here before it continues. You might see a pullback down to maybe 0012 if the volume does not pick up. If it continues, the volume it obviously can go, but it looks like the volume is weakening up a little bit here. Not bad off 100% gain. I'm not saying that it's over by a long shot. All I'm saying is that it might pull back a little bit before it bounces and continues its way up. But I do like the way that this chart is set up right now.
Yeah, so I'm just they had that quarterly report, which was published over here on March 15th. When was the last day we went over it? It was like
210.
November. All right.
Yeah, February 10th.
Okay. I mean, they're showing that. I mean, they didn't have any revenue last year for the 3 months prior, and then this year they have money. So it went from 0 to something. So just looking more into it, I guess you could say. I'm just gonna read the going concern, so it's much easier. All right, so the financial statements, blah blah blah. The company has not generated significant revenue since inception and may not generate significant revenue or earnings in the immediate foreseeable future. As of January 31st, 2017, the company has incurred an accumulated deficit of $16,949,012 since inception. All right, let's see. And obligations. I mean, there's a lot of different things to obviously take in within this one. See, I want to go off this faster. Yeah, so in October 31st, 2016, the current assets were nil, like 0, and see, then they had 0 cash on the books and whatsoever. Now, as of January 31st, 2016, they had 12,500 in cash, prepaid expense of 75,000 for a total of 87,500. It was the 3 months prior. The following was 0. So I don't know where they going on with them. So, and then at the same time they had 0 revenue, and then all of a sudden for the 3 months they had 55,500. So they're doing something to generate revenue finally. So it's a plus. Let's see what they do. Oh, it's small.
It just seems like we've covered this one so many times, but
yeah,
evidently,
but we haven't.
right?
Mm-hmm. See, even their business description's not really up to date. I mean, whatever they're doing, they're generating revenue finally. So All right, so their business subscription over here on OTC Markets is the company seeks to acquire and or merge with businesses that present new opportunities and innovative business plans, especially with respect to new technologies. The company owns a 49% equity ownership stake in Family Mobile Safety Marketing, the distributor of a safe driving app, and a 49% equity ownership stake in Digital Media Management and Consulting, the joint venture which implements electronic sell-through and content advertising supported networks. All right, so they got their share structure. They got 5 million shares. 5 million. Wait, no, 5 billion, 30 million. And with the float as of February 1st, 2017, it was 1,459,582,497 shares as of February 1st. I mean, they're pink limited right now, but I mean, they got this latest quarterly, so we'll see what happens, I guess you could say. All right, so if you guys have an opinion or you want to continue doing more due diligence on this company, which obviously, you know, with what I just went over, it was kind of limited, go right over to their filings, right over there on that ONCI board and pull up that latest quarterly report from March 15th. It's 23 pages, so there's a lot of things for you to sit there and go through and kind of get more of a sense of what's going on with the company. If you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it on the ONCI board over here on Investors Hangout with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. And that is pretty much that.
All right, with ONCI 0015, watch for a possible pullback to 0012, support at 0014, 0012, and 001, resistance at 0017, 0024, gap at 0014 and 15. All depends on the volume. Again, like I said, there's just a little bit of a gap here, but if that volume picks up, it could keep going for sure. So ONCI, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, you can do so. InvestorsHangout.com/live.